Hello guys, welcome to Scape Toowong videos. My name is Stephanie and I'm a sales executive at Scape Brisbane. Today I'm so excited to show you an amazing build at Scape Toowong. We are in a multi-shared apartment with 8 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. With your key, you have access to the main door and to your room for your security. This is one of the rooms with urban views. Our rooms have a double-sized bed and a bedside table with drawers. And here in the study area, you have a desk and a smart TV. So in this apartment, every single room have their own TV, a big shelf where you store your books, and also a 2-door wardrobe with drawers and a full-length mirror. And you also have your own aircon. This is another room with a different view. This one is with city view, where you can see some of the city and beautiful views, especially at night. For who wants more space, we have a bigger room in this apartment. As you can see, the room is really similar to a studio, also with a double bed, but a bit more storage than the other ones. This room have under the TV this bigger storage, a smart TV, bigger shelves, a bedside table, and the wardrobe. This bathroom, it's a bit bigger than the bathroom that is in the studio, with a powerful shower, another mirror cabinet, and here we have this line where you can attach it here and hang up some clothes. This is the kitchen area, and here we have 2 big fridges, 2 sinks, one on this side of the room, another one on the other side, a microwave, a dishwasher. We actually have 2 dishwashers. Cabinet with key so you can lock your pantry, a bench kitchen top, and also here 2 freezers. Here a big induction cooktop, easy to clean and as well for your safety. More drawers and more cabinets. As I said, we have 2 dishwashers and another sink. Here we are in the living area, and here we have an amazing comfortable couch where you can rest after a long day at university. We also have a bigger TV in the living room with access to internet, Netflix, YouTube, and here we have a large dining table where you and your roommates can share a dinner together with this beautiful view.